All right, to change the rear wiper first, you're gonna want to just quickly turn on your car and then turn the wiper on and quickly turn it off while it's facing down. I couldn't find any better way to do it, so this is what I'm doing. And this is the rear wiper part number. All right, now it may feel a little weird, but you're just gonna lift this up, right? And you're gonna feel like you're gonna break it, but you're just gonna bend this down, okay? And then when you do that, it actually just slides right out. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed, so yeah, it came out. Now, you see that there's a little notch there. That goes into there. Okay, some rubber was facing this way. We're gonna put the new one on that way. All right, so here's the new one, right? That same notch is gonna go right in. We're just gonna put it right back. So, gonna lift this up. Literally just gonna slide that thing into that notch, right? And then we're gonna bend it back up. And that's it. And then we're gonna turn the car back on and let the wiper go back in.